let's have you seeing stars. I'm talking about looking at the night sky and wondering if there is anything looking back. We will look at the words of legendary astronomer Galileo Galilei to help see that it is our own selves staring back from the void of the cosmos. Galileo Galilei was an Italian astronomer, physicist, and mathematician who lived from 1564 to 1642. Often called the father of modern science, he made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of motion, gravity, and astronomy. Galileo improved the telescope and used it to make important discoveries, such as the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and detailed observations of the moon's surface. His support for the heliocentric model of the solar system, which stated that the Earth orbits the Sun, brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church. Despite facing persecution, Galileo's work laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. This man is a hero of mine, because if you watch any videos on my channel, I do not merely provide history lessons put together by ChatGPT. No, you get my opinions, my thoughts, and the reasoning behind the thoughts of beloved characters, in the real world and in fiction. I try to live my life not by his chosen field, but by his gumption, his fire, the way he stood up for his beliefs at whatever the cost, and how he was not going to be bullied by the authorities at hand, especially when he knew he was right. Bringing common sense to a world of ignorance and superstition. Bringing fire to the people like Prometheus. We have to start with the shortest phrase, but one that moves planets. And yet it moves. This short, but powerful quote was allegedly whispered after Galileo was being forced to recant his belief that the Earth moves around the Sun. The Catholic Church condemned Galileo in 1633 as vehemently suspected of heresy for holding, teaching, and defending the belief that the Sun is the center of the universe and immovable, and that the Earth moves. This judgment was based on the premise that heliocentrism was contrary to the holy and divine scriptures. And I am sorry to say, if you live your life, and every answer that comes out of your mouth references some type of holy scripture, then you are not really living purposefully, in my opinion. Sorry to say, you are using these words as a shield to shelter from the storm of self-discovery and empirical notions, which sometimes I do not blame in a world gone to drama.